How to fix the Spotify no internet connection. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having connectivity issue on Spotify, here are the steps to fix it. To get started with, make sure to check the internet connection. Ensure the internet is functioning by checking your Wi-Fi or switching to the cellular data. Once that is done, for the iPhone devices, you can offload the Spotify app. Likewise, for Android devices, you need to clear the cache. For this, long press the Spotify application. Go to App Info. Once that is done, scroll down and go to Storage and Cache. Once you tap on Storage and Cache, clear the cache. You can also clear the storage, but this will require you to log in again. Now that this is done, clear all the background applications before launching the Spotify. Then after, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Spotify application. Now, tap on the update button if it is available. This way, once you have updated the app, you can relaunch the Spotify and it should be working properly. However, if the issue persists, you can contact the customer support for the further assistance. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.